Gopijana Vallabha Jaya Gopijana Vallabha Girvaradhari Gopijana Jaya Gopijana Vallabha Girvaradhari Yashodanandana Yashodanandana Shri Vasudeva Uvacha Viditosi Bhavan Saksha Purusha Prakate Paraha Kevalanu Bhavananda Sarupa Sarva Buddhi Drik. Vasudha said, my Lord, you are the Supreme Person beyond material existence and you are the Super Soul. Your form can be perceived by transcendent knowledge, by which you can be understood as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I now understand your position perfectly. So different meditations are happening. Vasudeva is seeing Krishna, but he has proper knowledge. Many people say, show me God. But if I show you God, can you recognize Him? If you don't have knowledge, you will not know I showed you God. Just like suppose, many people say, show me gold. Now I give gold in the hand. He doesn't know what is gold. How can he verify whether it's gold? So, if you do not know, how will you understand? Prabhupada gives a very good example. Suppose the vehicle is spoiled, it's not working. Then, you open the vehicle, you cannot understand what's wrong. And then you call an engineer, he looks at it, within 1 minute says what's wrong. What's the difference between you're also watching the vehicle, he's also watching the vehicle? What's the difference? With knowledge. Correct? And you're watching without knowledge. So similarly, when you see the Lord, or you see even this manifestation, because Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, if you have to see me, first see me like this. See, we have to approach Krishna His way, not your way. So Krishna says, you have to see me, you see the sun and the moon. Rasavam apsi kaunseya prapasvin sashi surya yaha pranava sarva vedeshu. So Krishna says, you want to see me, or see me like this. He is the sun and moon. So what is the meaning sun and the moon? When you see the Lord sun and moon, when you see sun and moon, oh, great creation. So we can know beginning Krishna by our knowledge develops by first understanding that how this wonderful creation Krishna has made. First we should appreciate that. We look at our own body, we appreciate. You want to appreciate Krishna's transcendental form? Please wait. We are not ready for that. We have to go step by step. You cannot suddenly see Krishna's transcendental form. Oh, I am seeing beautiful form of Krishna. Not that way. That will take time. But first you understand Krishna's external features in this world. Therefore Krishna says, you drink water, you can see me. There are two reasons for that, why Krishna says. One reason is that everybody drinks water. And anyway, the water is the manifestation of Krishna. You can remember Him. Okay? So if you want to understand Krishna, you have to understand His way. So you understand Krishna by seeing his work in this world. You see Krishna first. Before seeing directly the beautiful form of Krishna, we have to appreciate Krishna's work in this world. So you have to see matter first, then you see spirit. You see Krishna in matter first, then you see Krishna's spiritual form. We have to mature. So we have to therefore transfer knowledge like in the Bhagavatam. Why is it in the second canto there is so much description of the secondary creation, Visarga, Sarga, Visarga? Why? So many planetary systems are there. This is happening in this planet, this is happening in this planet, this is how Krishna created, then Brahma created this. So many details. Why? So that we can understand the glorious position of Krishna. Before understanding Krishna's form, you can understand how great Krishna is. Otherwise you will put down Krishna in your own platform. And we cannot discuss Krishna Leela with you, because you say any Krishna Leela, you think, yes, I could have also done it. So therefore, it is to be properly understood. First we understand Krishna's position. We are not in the platform of Vasudeva. Vasudeva is highly advanced devotee of the Lord. He is having an opportunity to directly see Krishna. We are not in a position now to directly see Krishna. We cannot handle his presence. Krishna wants to come. He is present, he wants to talk to you, but we are not in a position to see him now. So you have to cultivate transcendental knowledge, not academic knowledge. And transcendental knowledge means Nirbandha Krishna Sambandhe. Whatever we see, Stavara Jangamana Deke Deke Taramurti Sarvat Hoye Ishta Deva Spurti. So it is not that we see a tree and then tree disappears. In that place there is Krishna standing in the flute. No. You see a tree, you can appreciate its connection to Krishna. Therefore Prabhupada said, any knowledge you take, Bahunam Janamanamante Jnanavan Ma Prapadyate. Any knowledge field you take, if you start studying it deeply, at the end Krishna is there. Therefore Prabhupada says, any knowledge should begin with understanding Krishna is inconceivable. Then you proceed. But what are they doing? They're avoiding this. Krishna is inconceivable, and they're proceeding with knowledge. And they say, chance is inconceivable. Once I was debating with my friends, they were speaking something, and I said, no, this is objectionable. Don't speak all those things. So then they said, what is the conception? I said, yes, God is inconceivable. No. Chance is inconceivable. Then you're worshipping chance, your choice. But doesn't look reasonable. Because chance has to be created by somebody. It's very foolish argument. You can defeat this argument. Suppose I say 50% the chance is that the coin will be head, 50% the chance coin will be tail. Correct? We say that. But it's not a good argument. Why? Who created chance? Unless I throw the coin, there is no head or tail. So similarly they say, by chance we have wonderful plants here. Who created the chance? Who created the chance for it to become head or tail? No, I have head because of chance. Arey Baba, somebody threw the coin. Therefore it became head, no, or tail. First there has to be coin. The other person has to throw the coin. And then it will be head or tail. So they say by chance. Who created chance? Chance is not on its own. So chance is a very fallacious argument for foolish people. Intelligent person will not accept chance. It's not an argument. Who created chance? That's you should challenge him. Then he will be stuck. It's actually an escape route for a fool, and which he tells another fools. Just like you say, by chance I came to the class. No. Who you created chance? You walked here, you walked there, then you came here. So this is not a good argument that by chance, and nothing happens by chance. For everything there is a reason. In fact, the laws of karma are also a reason in this world. Nothing is happening by chance. Prabhupada was very, very affirmative on this point. Chance is for the fools. So when you see the beautiful creation, therefore, it's not by chance, it's by plan, it's by design. And that is the development of transcendental knowledge in the beginning. We appreciate. Oh Krishna, wonderful. Every moment we are appreciating. Whatever you see. In the beginning level, we appreciate Annamaya. How Krishna is maintaining me. He's so grateful. I am so kind to you, Krishna. You are so kind to me. You are maintaining me. I am so grateful to you. And then come next level. What are the 5 levels? Panchakosha. Annamaya, then Pranamaya, then Manomaya, then Jnanamaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya. We can combine Manomaya and Jnanamaya. So Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, and then Vijnanamaya and Anandamaya. Panchakosha means there are 5. So Annamaya means at that moment person is what? He is just understanding life, God is food. He gets food, life is successful. Nothing more he thinks in his life. Day, night, how to get food, how to get food, how to get food, how to get food. The present civilization उतना ही है ना? पूरा civilization पूरे टाइम सब लोग घूम रहे हैं चिंता में, खाना कैसे मिलेगा, खाना कैसे मिलेगा, खाना कैसे मिलेगा. ये तो हमने समाज को उल्टा कर दिया है. We have created such an anxiety for food. The animals are not having that anxiety. Birds gets up in the morning, goes to the top of the tree. 1000 mango fruits are there. कितना खाएगा, है ना? कितना खाएगा? कोई नहीं है. सबसे पहले चिड़िया ही खाती है एक फल को मज़े से. आप तो चढ़ भी नहीं सकते, पट 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 खा लेते हैं. So कितना? So Krishna is providing food to the plants. Why Krishna will not provide food to me? Why there is an anxiety? But people are in that anxiety level. Annamaya, one level, almost like animals. जानवर का level है Annamaya. Actually, people are not to be blamed because leaders have disorganized the society in such a way कि यही एक चिंता का विषय बन गया है. पहले किसी को खाने का चिंता नहीं था. किसी मंदिर चले जाओ खाना अवेलेबल था, करेक्ट. किसी के घर चले जाओ खाना जरूर खिलाएगा आपको. खाने का चिंता नहीं था पहले. वैदिक सोसाइटी में खाने का चिंता वॉज नॉट देयर, है ना. फूड वॉज नॉट एन इश्यू. एवरी टेम्पल विल गिव यू, गो दे विल गिव यू, और यू गो टू एनीबडीज हाउस, विल गिव यू फूड हैप्पीली. And they have food. They have so many cows. They have agriculture. People are living a peaceful life. Even today, जो लोग एग्रीकल्चर में और गाय में जी रहे हैं उनको कोरोना वायरस से कोई मतलब नहीं है. शांति से गांव में है. पहले भी वैसे थे, अभी भी वैसे है, करेक्ट. चिंता का विषय जो शहर में रह रहे हैं उनको है ना. गांव में अपना खेती गाय के साथ उनको क्या मतलब. तुम्हारा कोरोना हो कोरोना, उनको क्या करना तुम्हें. उनका सब कुछ गांव में मिल जाता है. उनको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. हमको एक एक चीज़ को लाने का, उसको धोने का, उनको तो अपना everything is pure. So therefore, what do we understand? First principle, Annamaya. Then the next things come Pranamaya, but because once you get food and other necessities, then you want to protect yourself. ताला लगा के रहते हैं, अपने गार्ड लगाते हैं. You want to protect yourself. First thing, you want money. Once you get money, you have to protect money. So when your food is ensured, you want to some kind of protection. ठीक है. प्राण, अपने प्राण बचाओ. खाना बचाओ, फिर उसके बाद प्राण. जब खाना ही नहीं है, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्राण. सो दैट लाइक एवरीबडी इज स्केयर्ड नाउ हाउ टू सेव माई लाइफ. एक्चुअली बी केयरफुल. इट कम्स, इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस. द इन्फेक्शन बहुत खतरनाक इन्फेक्शन है. लोग पागल नहीं है जो दुनिया को बंद कर दिया. बड़े बड़े शहर बंद हो गए, है ना. इन्फेक्शन बहुत डेंजरस है. इसके साथ डोंट प्ले. एवरीबडी, particularly those who go out, be extremely careful. Extremely careful, because it's many intelligent people are getting infected, and then once you get infected, it's very dangerous. 20% you are in ICU. It's so dangerous. It destroys the lungs, and even some children are dying. Not that I am a young person, I'll not die. Even young people are dying. It is very dangerous. But young people percentage will little less, but it is there. And even the healthy people who are Olympic people have come out of the very terrible experience. Correct? It's a dangerous thing. So don't play. Everybody be extremely careful. I told yesterday we read from Ayush Ministry. They discussed with the Vaidyas all over India, and some 4 or 5 guidelines they come out with. We can follow them. You know, one of them is drink hot water throughout the day. Drink only hot water, because one thing, it will clear the throat, and another thing, from the throat it may go to the stomach if it has come. And the hot water will kill it anyway. So whole day मन तो करता है इतनी गर्मी में ठंडा पानी पीने का. चलो पिए ठंडा पानी, कभी कभी गर्म भी पीते रहिए, क्योंकि 3-4 days it stays in the throat. So उसी से मार दो उसको, because it will come, because everything you are taking, it is spread. Society में when 10,000 people in India are infected, they are also educated, intelligent. सब लोग बुद्धू नहीं थे, है ना, तो हमको भी दूसरा बकरा नहीं बनने का. Another case will be, आपका नाम न्यूज़पेपर में चाहिए, ठीक है चलो, become careless. नहीं, generally they are not putting the name, but you will become a case. All whole city will talk about you. Correct? But you want to die like that, ठीक है, but be careful. ठीक है. So there are various recommendations anyway. So प्राणमया, प्राण बचाओ, second level. अन्नमया, खाली खाना चाहिए. I want food, I want food, I want food. Next level, खाना मिल गया, अब प्राण बचाओ. करेक्ट. उसको घर चाहिए और अपना दरवाज़ा बंद करके सोएगा, प्राण बचाने अपने सिक्योर रखेगा. अपना अन्न को, राइस को एक रूम में बंद करके रखेगा, कोई चोरी ना कर दे. प्राणमया. नेक्स्ट लेवल कम मनोमया. जितना भी हम वी मीट ऑल द बिग पीपल इन द सोसाइटी, एक्चुअली बाय लॉर्ड्स ग्रेस वी हैव नॉलेज, बट दे डोंट हियर अस, दे स्पीक. That's the austerity when you go to engage people in Krishna service. किसको पास जाते हैं? धनी लोग के पास जाते हैं. उनके पास अन्नमय प्राणमय हो गया है, खाना है, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड भी है, दो चीज़ है. Now they start speaking philosophy. Baba, I know this, because these two things are over. Correct? It's true or not? We go to them, they don't listen anything what Gita says, they want to talk. Because manomaya, all those nonsense philosophies on the category of upadharma, on the category upadharma is social welfare activities, they think is the highest. So many ways they talk about so many nonsense things. Take care. We hear anyway patiently, but we know they're never talking about parodharma. They're talking about upadharma, they're talking about dharmabhat, they're talking about chaladharma. They're all cheating religious. They're not talking about parodharma, which we know about parodharma, but they don't want to listen. They speak philosophy. I think it is like that, I think. है ना? ये दो चीज़ें लोग सोचते हैं जीवन सक्सेस हो गया, and they start speaking. So annamaya, pranamaya, then manomaya, then vijnanamaya. Vijnanamaya starts when person understands I am not the body, I am soul. At that moment, vijnanamaya starts. The person gets spiritual knowledge. Beginning of spiritual knowledge, I am not the body, I am soul. Once that is over, then the next level person comes to Anandamaya, where he feels the joy of serving Krishna. And Vasudeva is on that platform. He's feeling great affection for the Lord, and is also feeling little fear for him. Both combined it is coming. Take care. He's feeling the exalted, one side is feeling exalted position of the Lord. Shri Radha Govinda ki. One side is feeling the exalted position of the Lord. Another side is feeling affection for the Lord. Two contradictory emotions are coming. You know. And Krishna will resolve it by putting more affection, so that another Yogamaya he can enjoy seeing him as a son. Otherwise, why will he carry him? He says, Krishna says, take me to Vrindavan. He says, you go, no, why you need me? You're the Lord. You go in a second. So he feels affection. In fact, so much affection he feels that when he sees the doors of the prison will open on its own. Yogamaya will do that. And everybody will be sleeping. All the security guards will be sleeping. Security guards. So he takes child on a basket and he goes, and the river gives away. And Ananta Shesha has already come. He is giving him protection. So on the way, child slips from his hand and it falls in the river Yamuna. Not discussed in Bhagavatam, discussed the other Purana. And discussed in Nectar of Devotion also. So Vasudeva gets into great anxiety. Great anxiety. He is very desperately searching the child. That means Yogamaya is playing with him. Otherwise he knows Supreme Lord, why is he worried? Why should he worry? He should not be worried. Hana? Great affection is taking and it slips from him and he's so much anxiety where he has gone. Then river Yamuna puts it back on his basket. He says, क्या हुआ? नहीं, थोड़ा कृष्ण से खेलना चाहते थे. And he gives it back. So river Yamuna wants to touch Krishna's lotus feet. And then he brings. So anyway, so the point is that Vasudeva has transcendental knowledge. That is the point you wanted to bring. So all our tapasya should result in development of transcendental knowledge. Today we know theoretically so many things. We know that I am not body, I am soul. We know the Lord is there in the heart as Paramatma. We know the deities is not different from Krishna. Correct? You know the holy name is not different. You only know. You have no realization. So there is sincere tapasya. So Krishna is pleased to bestow darshan. When Sanatana Goswami met Lord Chaitanya, for 30 days Chaitanya Prabhu was instructing him. Then after that he fell at the feet of the Lord. He says, please, let whatever you spoke become realized in me. What it becomes? Realized. Okay? So very important thing is realization. Without realization, whatever you speak is like a parrot, kappa, 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 kappa. Just like Prabhupada says, the parrot may say even Hare Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna, parrot can say. They can repeat. But when the death comes, kai, he will not say Krishna. You hold the neck of the parrot, he will not say Krishna, he will say kai, because usko darshan nahi hua abhi tak. Similarly, we also, when we get difficulty, generally what we say? Mummy, or Kannada what we say? Amma, hai na? Any problem? Amma, we cry or not? Because abhi darshan nahi aaya. When the slowly realization starts, we'll say Krishna, same place. So in life, so many times difficulties will come. So surprise quiz aata hai. And at that time we can say, did you remember Krishna, or we are saying Amma? Because Amma cannot protect you. Krishna can protect you. Even Amma Krishna only has to protect. Everybody is under Krishna's protection, correct? They are not independent. So all of us, we may remember mother, father, because we are at that level now. When we advance in spiritual life, we will remember Krishna. So the surprise quizzes, we depend on so many. Ye dhana yauvana putra parijane ka ete ke ache paratitire. In the Bhajo Reman Shloka, what it says, that these things will not give us protection. We may think, just like Ajamila saying, Narayana is asking for his child to come, to protect him. But luckily chanted the name of Narayana, that is fortune. But otherwise we were thinking, ye dhana, this money will protect me, it will not protect you. With all the money, people are dying. In America, with the best of hospitals, countries having all the money, the doctor not able to save the patients, correct? Ye dhana yauvana, they say 18 months you have to wait. And the world actually, technically speaking, the world has to stop, burn has to continue till the medicine is there. Because it is highly infectious, it has to spread. The moment you let people move, again it will start exploding. What do you do? Practical purposes, financially they will open for some time, close, open, they will keep doing this drama. But it will keep spreading till you get the medicine. You can vaccinate people against it. So the money is not able to protect you. Your youth cannot protect you. Young people also die. Yadana yauvana putra. Children cannot protect you. They are just watching helplessly. Interesting thing in this case, they can't come near the bed also. They cannot come in the hospital also. Hospitals are most infected now. It's misfortune now for any reason to go to hospital, because you may solve your disease or not, but you'll bring corona from there. So many people in Delhi are dying of corona which they never had. They went to hospital for kidney problem, but they got corona from there. Hospitals are full of the disease now. The big hospitals, how many doctors and nurses have got? Correct? And it is said the patients also are coughing and all, it's all in the air in the hospital, full. Particularly the hospitals, true, one sense they have done, like in Mangalore, they have identified one government hospital and all patients will go there. Correct? So other hospitals are free from that, but no guarantee. Patients will first go there only. After identification, they will go there. Correct? So doctors also cannot save you. Ye dhana yauvana putra parijana. Your children cannot. So children have to only watch, cannot even come to hospital. If they can come, they cannot enter the ward from glass door. Those hospitals which have glass door, they have to watch you, that's all. Cannot come inside. They cannot hold your hand also. Even doctor doesn't touch your hand. I say toward the end of the life, when this become person is about to die, they just put him on a plastic cover, and from that he's touching the body. He doesn't want to directly touch the body. Whole body is full of virus. Okay, so nobody can save you. Yadhana yauvana putra parijana ete ke ache paratitire. What kind of protection there? Nothing. Correct? America is a rich country, but 2,000 people are dying every day. England is a rich country. 1,000 people are dying every day. Almost, I'm just saying, roughly figure. So we can see nothing can protect us. But Krishna can protect. Why? Because devotee, that is the protection he is looking for. He is looking to go to Krishna's lotus feet. There is Kulashekara Alva. He says, what does he say? He says, my Lord, at the old age maybe I cannot utter your holy name because of cough in my mouth. So now I'm young, let me die immediately, because I can loudly chant your holy name. So actually Prabhupada said devotee is waiting to die to go back to Krishna. Everybody is scared of death. A devotee is not scared of death. He is waiting to die. Muni putra, mani putra, ma jiva. Don't live. So devotee is eager quickly to serve Krishna in the spiritual world. So he has no lamentation. So Vasudeva here is full of transcendental knowledge. So by tapasya, by sincere tapasya, we attract mercy of Krishna and you get transcendental knowledge. Transcendental knowledge means दर्शन मिलता है. अभी थ्योरी बहुत है हमारे पास, भगवान है, विग्रह है, प्रसाद है, बट अभी दर्शन नहीं है हमको. सो जब तपस्या से भगवान खुश हो जाते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा दर्शन देते हैं. देन हमारा आध्यात्मिक जीवन थोड़ा प्रगति होता है. करेक्ट. जब मृत्यु काल आएगा उसमें दर्शन का ही फायदा मिलेगा. थ्योरी सब लोग बाहर रख देते हैं उस समय, है ना. जब टेंशन आता है जिस पे आप विश्वास कर सकते हो उस चीज़ को पकड़ते हो. करेक्ट. अभी तो हम दुनिया में बड़ा बड़ा फिलॉसफी बोल देते हैं, कृष्णा है, परमात्मा है, ठीक है, लेकिन कितना आपका दर्शन उसमें दिख जाता है. आप भयभीत हो जाओगे. अगर दर्शन नहीं होगा मृत्यु काल में आदमी भयभीत हो जाएगा, पसीना आएगा डर के मारे. जैसे अंधेरे में कोई हाथ पकड़े, चल मेरे साथ, कहाँ चले जा रहा है, डर आता नहीं आता. कहाँ जाऊँगा मैं अभी, उसमें डर के आदमी पसीना पसीना हो जाता है. सो इफ वी हैव डन तपस्या सिंसियरली होल लाइफ, देन वी गेट रियलाइजेशंस. तो कभी कभी हम लोग थोड़ा संतुष्ट हो जाते हैं. समझ आ गया ना, भगवान है, कृष्णा है, गोलोक है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु है, समझ आया. अभी दर्शन नहीं हुआ, विश्वास नहीं हुआ अभी. सो विश्वास आने में आदमी को, पर्सन हैज़ टू सिंसियरली डू तपस्या एंड देन कृष्णा विल बेस्टो सम दर्शन. And once he bestows darshan, the life becomes beautiful. So Vasudeva has all the transcendental knowledge. Therefore, when he sees Krishna, he can understand, my Lord has come. Okay? And also he is offering his prayers, which he will start offering the prayers now. And first prayer is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Okay? Beyond the influence of material nature. So the transcendental knowledge comes, actually it destroys all the sins. ट्रांसेंडेंटल नॉलेज ऑफ कृष्णा इज नॉन डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कृष्णा. भगवान का ज्ञान और भगवान में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, एक ही चीज़ है. ठीक है. सो होल लाइफ एवरीथिंग शुड एंड इन स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. ठीक है. वट एवर वी डू एक्टिविटीज, दे शुड एंड इन रियलाइज ट्रांसेंडेंटल नॉलेज. ऑल द क्वालिटीज विल कम देन. रियलाइज ह्यूमिलिटी विल कम. ऑल द क्वालिटीज वी से विल मैनिफेस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली वंस ट्रांसेंडेंटल नॉलेज मैनिफेस्ट. श्रील प्रभुपाद की, श्रीमद् भागवतम की.